So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm just gonna talk about one of the inpainting trick in which you can go and fix your face and add amazing details to your face. First of all, let me tell you, you should have already known this trick, and I will compare this trick as well in this today's video. So basically how this trick work is that, as you can see, I was just working on this image as well, and yes, the details on the face are pretty much amazing over here. So basically how does this trick work is that you just need to send this image, the image that you generate, into the extras section, just like you need to send it into the extras section, and then you can upscale this image with any of the upscaler, just like I'm using ultra sharp upscaler. And the second thing, you can upscale it with the 2x multiplier as well. So just upscale it, just generate it. So now after upscaling this image, as you can see, this is the image that we got. Just send it into the Inpaint section. Just click it over here, send to Inpaint, and yes, it will load automatically over here. So after sending it to the Inpaint section, the next thing that you need to do is that just come down over here and reset to original resolution, just like 512 by 768. And the next thing that you need to do is just work on the face. So let's mask the face over here. Let's mask it. So now that I have already masked this face over here, the setting that I am using is just resize latent upscale, mask blur 4, Inpaint mask because we are working on mask area, and original because we are working on the face behind the mask, right? So original only masked over here, 16 padding and pixels, and you can see over here denoising strength 0.45. So that's the only setting that I am using, and let's generate and let's see what result do we get now. So you can see it has started working on the face. Let's see what details do we get, because yeah, it's really amazing first of all. So guys, as you can see, this is the result that I got. Pretty amazing result as well. The eyes are pretty amazing as well. You can definitely see that. So now what I will do is that I will just send it to Inpaint section, just drag it onto the Inpaint section. And the next thing that I will do is that let's zoom in, let's mask the eyes over here. Let's try to fix the eyes as well. So now you can definitely see I have already masked the eyes over here. Now what I will do, I will just click generate over here once again, and let's see if we can get amazing details on the eyes as well or not. So now as you can see, it has started generating the images. Let me tell you guys, yes, this trick really works. So now guys, as you can see, this is the result that we got. Let's have a close look at this image as well. So now guys, as you can see, these are the two results. This was the face fix, only the face fix with no eyes fix as well. You can definitely see the face is amazing, right? And now let's compare it with this result where we have already fixed the eyes as well. But just look at the eyes as well guys. Yeah, you can definitely see that this is amazing result, right? I just love this eyes compared to this. Yes, it has almost fixed the eyes as well. So now guys, as you can see, yes, we got an amazing details, right? But is it really necessary to upscale this image first of all? What if we don't upscale this image and just directly send this image? Just like this image that we generated on text to image section, you can definitely see that. So what I will do is that first of all, I will send this image, the original image that we generated on text to image section. We will send it to Inpaint menu, and you can see we have loaded this image on the Inpaint section. And now let's see guys if you can get these details or not. So what I will do is that I will just mask the face first of all. Let's mask the face. So now guys, as you can see, I have already masked this face, and now let's generate and let's see what result do we get. Okay guys, so now as you can see, this is the result that we got, right? You can definitely see, yes, the face is pretty amazing as well. So now what we will do, we will try to drag this image over here once again, and we will reset the mask. First of all, reset the mask. And now the next step, what we will do, we will try to fix the eyes as well. Let's go and let's mask the eyes first of all. So now guys, as you can see, I have already masked the eyes as well. And now similar setting, nothing much changes over here. And now let's try to generate. Let's generate and let's see what result do we get. So guys, here we are with the result, and as you can see, this is the result that I got. So now what I will do, I will just send this image into extras menu again, and I will upscale this image as well, and let's compare it with the earlier result as well. So now let's generate again. I will go with resize 2x value, and yes, 4x ultra sharp upscaler. And now let's generate and let's see what result do we get after upscaling. So now guys, as you can see, this is the result that I got. Yes, definitely not that great result compared to earlier workflow where we upscaled the image first and then Inpaint it. So now guys, let's have a close look at these images. As you can see on the left hand side, this is the earlier result, the earlier workflow where we upscale the image first and then inpaint it. And on the right hand side, this is the workflow where we send it directly from text to image section to Inpaint menu and then upscale the images. So as you can see the details over here, yes, if we have a close look at the face, definitely the left hand side is really amazing. So yes, definitely this trick works really great. So you can get an amazing details over here. You can definitely see this over here. See the hairs as well over here. This is just like a painted, and you can definitely see the hairs, the details on the hairs, simply amazing. And yes, simply detailed hairs, and the lips as well, you can definitely see that. So yes, I can definitely say that yes, this trick really works like a charm, and you can get some amazing details to it as well. First of all, send this image just like any of the image that you have generated, just like this. Send it to like extras menu and like upscale this image, just like I'm upscaling this image once again. And you can see, let's get the result first of all, and you can see this is the upscaled image, right? Send it to like Inpaint menu once again, and then mask the face. First of all, mask this face. So now that, as you can see, I have already masked this face, and similar settings over here as well. Nothing changes over here. The only thing that you need to do is that change this resolution. So that's the resolution that I was using, the only thing that you need to change, and then generate. So yeah, that's how this trick works. And yeah, it's really amazing. That's the trick. And even I'm not changing the prompt as well. I kept the prompt as it is. So that is the result that I got. And once again, drag it over here. And then first of all, reset the mask, zoom it over here, and now let's go once again with the eyes as well. So now that I've already masked the eyes as well, let's generate and let's see what result do we get. So now guys, as you can see, this is the result that I got. Yes, pretty amazing result over here as well. And what if I show you whole picture that is inpainted, and let me show you once again. So guys, here you can see over here, this is the result. First of all, let me show you. On the extreme left is the original image that we rendered on text to image section, unedited image. And on the middle section, you can see this is first of all the inpainted first and then upscaled image, just the second technique. And on the extreme right, this is upscaled first and then inpainted. You can definitely see there are a lot of details going on over here. I inpainted whole of the body, and yes, you can look at the face first of all. Let's just compare the face first of all. You can definitely see this is not that great result, and yes, this is totally great and smooth result as well. And on the neck as well, you can definitely see not that great compared to this on this section. Definitely amazing details going on, and you can see over on the hands as well. So I inpainted most of the part just like hands over here. You can definitely check out the details on the hand as well. You can see the original image over here. This is the original image. So that's how I got the result. See the arms over here. I just wanted to show you the details, how you can get more details on this image as well. You can see this part, and you can see this part as well. Original on the original image, this was the original. These are the edited images. Definitely there are a lot of details going on over here. And on this part as well, you can see this as well, and you can see this as well. Just look at the details going on over here, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. Just look at these details over here. So that's the thing that I wanted to show you guys. Definitely you can get amazing details with this technique. First of all, you go and upscale the image, and then go on to inpainting part and then inpaint the image. Instead of doing inpaint first and then upscaling, don't do like that. So that's the thing that I wanted to talk about in this video, and yes, it's very effective in order to get more details onto your image. So yes guys, that's it for today, and yes, I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.